Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is factorization of polynomials part 2. Method number 3. By using formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. For examples, number 1, factorize 100 minus 9x square. We can write 100 as 10 into 10 and 9 as 3 into 3 and x square as x into x. Therefore, we can write this 10 square minus 3 square into x square, which means 10 whole square minus 3x whole square. Now use the formula a square minus b square and we get 10 plus 3x into 10 minus 3x. Problem number 2. Factorize 49x square minus 1 by 4. We can write 49 as 7 into 7 and x square as x into x and 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore, 7x whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now we use the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b and we get the factorization of the given polynomial as 7x plus 1 by 2 and 7x minus 1 by 2. Problem number 3. 81 minus 16x square. Now we can write 81 as 9 whole square and 16x square as 4x whole square. Now we use the formula and we get the factorization of the given polynomial 9 plus 4x into 9 minus 4x. Problem number 4. 18 square x square minus 32. We have to just take a common as 2 and we get 2 into 9 square x square minus 16. And we can write 9 square x square as 3ax whole square and 16 as 4 whole square. Now use the formula a square minus b square and we get 2 into 3ax plus 4 into 3ax minus 4. Problem number 5. 3a cube b minus 243ab cube. Just take a common as 3ab and we get a square minus 81b square. Therefore, a square minus 9b whole square equal to, just use a square minus b square formula and we get 3ab into a plus 9b into a minus 9b. Next, problem number 6. X square plus 4 by x square. We can write it as x whole square plus 2 by x whole square. And now we use a square plus b square formula and we get x plus 2 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 2 by x. Just eliminating x by x, we can write as x plus 2 by x whole square minus 4. Therefore, now use the formula a square minus b square and we get the answer x plus 2 by x plus 2 into x plus 2 by x minus 2. Next, x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1. At first, we have to use a square plus b square formula and we get x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1. Now just eliminating x square and 1 by x square, we get x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 plus 1. Now just adding plus 1 with minus 2, we get x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 1. Now we can use the formula a square minus b square and we get x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 and x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now the minus 1 term will be fixed and from the first term we have to use the formula a square plus b square and we get x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1. Now just eliminating x and 1 by x, we get x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 plus 1. Therefore we can write minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square, and now just use the formula a square minus b square, and we get x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 1 by x minus 1. Next, x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Just regrouping, we get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x square y square. Just using a square plus b square formula, we get x square plus y square whole square minus 2x to the 2x square y square plus x square y square. Now subtracting, we get x square plus y square whole square minus x square y square. Now we can write x square y square as xy whole square. Now we use the formula a square minus b square, and we get x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. Problem number 9. A into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. Just multiplying, we get a square minus a minus b square plus b. Now just regrouping, we get a square minus b square minus a plus b. Now from the a square minus b square, we get a plus b into a minus b, and taking common minus 1, we get a minus b from the rest 2. Now just taking common a minus b from the above, we get a minus b into a plus b minus 1. Problem number 10. X to the power 8 minus y to the power 8. Just using formula a square minus b square, we get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Now from the first factor, we get x square plus y square minus 2x square y square by using a square plus b square formula, and x square plus y square into x square minus y square by using the square minus b square formula from the factor x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Now from the first, we can write 2x square y square as root 2 xy whole square. Factor x square plus y square will be fixed, and from x square minus y square, we can write x plus y into x minus y. Now from the first, we can write by using a square minus b square formula x square plus y square plus root 2 xy into x square plus y square minus root 2 xy, and the rest term will be fixed. Now we can write as the ascending from, we get x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus root 2 xy into x square plus y square root 2 xy. Now it's homework time. Do at home.